Lose belly fat in just 1 week with this homemade tea. Belly fat is not just a matter of aesthetics. Research has proven that excess belly fat can cause health problems such as high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and sleep disorders, etc. That's why this homemade tea is a great benefit to anyone who wants to get rid of belly fat quickly. It accelerates the intensity of the fat burning process in the abdominal region and increase of metabolism. The recipe is very easy and suitable even for people who are extremely busy. The first ingredient of this recipe is apple. Apples are high in fiber, antioxidants, and low in calories, making it a filling fruit and perfect for weight loss. Maybe you don't know, the main secret to losing weight is all about making yourself feel full. Eating apples keeps you full for longer, so you can limit your calorie intake and in turn help promote weight loss. In addition, apples can prevent blood glucose and insulin spikes. This can contribute to weight loss as insulin is a fat storage hormone that causes excess fat to accumulate around the belly. Now, cut one apple into small pieces and remove the seeds. Put the apple into a saucepan. Then add 2 cups of water. Put the saucepan on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat, then add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Stir with a spoon and allow the mixture to simmer for about 15 minutes. Cinnamon contains essential oil, antioxidants, and nutrients that speed up your metabolism, increasing energy consumption and promoting weight loss. In addition, cinnamon regulates the body's blood sugar level and improves insulin function. If your body does not produce enough insulin, you will face many health problems like fat accumulation, obesity, and diabetes. Cinnamon is also full in fiber, which helps you feel full for a longer time. This makes you consume fewer calories, which makes you lose weight. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and remove the saucepan from the stove. Then, add 1 tablespoon of black tea and stir well. If you use black tea bags, then add 2 tea bags. Cover the saucepan and let it infuse for about 3 to 5 minutes. Black tea contains caffeine, which helps in increasing the heat of the body. This results in burning calories and losing weight. Black tea is also known to curb blood sugar levels, helping to avoid cravings for sweets and calorie-inducing food. When consumed regularly, it helps to reduce your appetite, thus resulting in a reasonable amount of weight loss. After 3 to 5 minutes, strain the tea into a cup. you should drink tea while it's still hot. This makes the body burn more calories because it has to work to regulate the temperature of the tea and cool it down to normal temperature. To quickly lose belly fat, you need to drink the tea at least twice or 3 times a day, 1 hour before or after your meals. Avoid consuming it at night as it could result in insomnia.